It's summer. Today I was really fortunate to be able to get out of my design studio and go and see what people are doing in the community. Let's go and take a look at some gorgeous gemstones. Hello lovely, today I'm going to Costa Mesa, California to look at some gemstones and pearls, so it should be a lot of fun. So come along with me and have a ride and see what adventures we can go on and see what we can find. We're inside the show. You can see a landscape of gemstones. Let's look at what makes each one special. Amazonite is made from tectosilicate, which includes labradorite and moonstone. Red ruby is from the corundum family, second hardest mineral after diamonds. The red color is due to chromium. Amethyst dates back to 2000 BCE. The color purple is due to iron and other trace minerals. Blue kyanite. Kyanite is from the Greek word kyanos, meaning deep blue. African turquoise isn't turquoise at all. It's a trade name for jasper that is mined in Africa in the form of chalcedony. Smoky quartz was used in 12th century China, where by cutting flat panels they used it as sunglasses. Spiny oyster is grouped in the same family as scallops and dates back to 4200 BCE. And lapis lazuli dates back to the 7th century BCE. In the Renaissance era, it was crushed to make the prized, expensive blue pigment ultramarine, once more expensive than gold due to its complex production process. Well, that was lots of fun at the gem show. Seeing everyone, it was a great turnout. It was just beautiful. I love going to those shows. Thank you for coming along with me and have a wonderful day from HerMJ, where jewelry rocks.